Okay, so I want to see if you guys can hear Petey being disgusted with me. Hey, Pete. Petey. Petey. I'm just trying to pet you and love you. What? Petey? Do you love me? Petey. But I love you. Come here, Pete. Oh, you get on my head, don't you? You get on my head. Oh, what was that? Can I have a kiss? I bet you won't give me kisses, will you? Because he's so mad at me. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. He's so disgusted with me. Petey, give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss, please? Kisses. But I love you. Can I have a kiss, please? Petey. Hey, Pete. Kiss. You see that? He turns his head in disgust, don't you, Pete? Oh, fine. Here's the butt. Here's the butt.